For example number 2, we're going to write an equation for a line of fit. Remember, line of fit is the linear line that predicts the trend of the data. The table shows the average cost of a jet boat in the years after 2000. Write an equation to represent the data. Then, use the equation to predict the cost of a jet boat in 2005 and 2025. So here we have our data. We have our years since 2000, so 0 would be the year 2000, 1 would be 2001, 2 would be 2002, etc., etc., etc. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take all of those points. We want to make a scatter plot out of them. They have done that for us. So the independent variable is the number of years, which goes on the x-axis. The dependent variable is the cost of the jet boats. That's on the y-axis. As the years increase, the cost of the jet boats also increase. The scatter plot shows a positive correlation. Notice that it is moving generally up from left to right. Step 2 is to draw a line of fit. A line is drawn that follows the trend of the data points and passes through most of the points. It doesn't have to hit every single one, but you generally want to hit the majority of them. Step 3 is to write an equation for that line. The line of fit passes close to the points 5, 25, 108 and 10, 32, 752. So we're going to find the slope of that line, right? You take some of the points that land on or close to your line of fit, and you find the slope of the line. So we're going to take, I apologize, this isn't 25, 108, this is 25,108. And again, over here, this isn't 32, 752, this is 32,752. I apologize. So we're going to find the slope of that line. So we're going to take 32,752, subtract 25,108 because that's our difference in our y's. We're going to put that over the difference in the x's, 10 minus 5, and we get about 1,528.8. Right, so that means that every year it's going up about $1,528. Now we're going to use that information, the slope there, and one of the points that is on the line to write an equation. They're going to use the point 5, 25,108. So they put that into the point slope form of an equation, right? So we drop in our y1, the 25,108, drop in our slope, 1,528.8, we drop in our x1, 5. Distribute, so you get 1,528.8 times x minus 7,644. Add 25,108 to each side, and we get an equation that is y equals 1,528.8 times x plus 17,464. The last step is to use that to predict the cost of the boat in 2005 and in 2025. Since the x values are the years since 2000, we're going to take 2005 and minus 2000, which gives us 5. So we're looking at x equaling 5 years since 2000. We plug in the 5 for the x and simplify our equation, and we get a prediction that the jet boat in 2005 was about $25,108. If we go back up to our graph, we look at 5, which is right here, and we come up here, we see that our line is right there at about that point, $25,108. So we've done a pretty good job with our line of fit. We do the same thing for 2025. This time we're going to use 25 for x because it's 25 years since 2000. And we get about $55,684. So again, let's go up and look over here. 25 is going to be way over here. So we're going to be looking at something up in here, which follows the trend. So both our 5-year and our 25-year fit with our trend of the cost. So we've done our line of fit correctly.